T-Bone's losing a tough one tonight, 3-2 to Quebec City. And Kenny, for just first off, your impressions of the game overall.
Well, we beat ourselves. You know, the air is costly. When you give them extra outs, that was the difference. And you know, that pitcher was pretty good, but we didn't make the proper adjustments early enough to get to him.
Yeah, and we talked about this on the broadcast, but he came into the game 2-0 and hadn't given up an earned run, but um, he looked beatable a couple times.
Yeah, definitely. We had to figure out that he was pitching a little backwards. He was throwing a lot of off speed early, and then trying to, you know, come with the fastball later in the count. You know, and he's only walked one guy to this point, and I think you know, he had 3 or 4 walks tonight. So, you know, he was tough, but you know, a guy that I think we should have got to a little earlier.
What did you think of Sean Garceau tonight?
I thought he was great. You know, a game that you know, another game. I think we should have you know, got him a win. He pitched well enough to win the game. It just you know, a couple mistakes behind him. Then you know, we didn't cover the hit and run there properly. We had the wrong coverage, which you know was you know a little. You know, I thought you know, our guys should have seen that earlier, and went opposite, had Molina cover instead of Perez. So, but he pitched great. It looks like you know, he's a little more back to what we were seeing out of him last year.
We have to mention Ray Sadler got his 1500th hit tonight. He looked like he had a home run in the second inning, but got a no-doubter in the bottom of the ninth.
Yeah, you know, that's just a tribute to you know how long he's played, and when you've played that long, that means obviously you've been very successful to be able to play that long in professional baseball and at this level. So, you know, we're happy for him. You know, and I know he's probably disappointed that we didn't get the win, but that's a huge accomplishment, and you know, I think that's a tribute to what kind of player he is.
How do you feel about Lucas going tomorrow night?
Good. I think you know, Lucas is probably the guy that is most similar to Sean, and you know, I seen where you know Sean really exploited them a little bit with his fastball. So you know, I expect him to have a similar type game, and we got to do a better job of making some adjustments and swinging the bat.